everybody, this is Richboywayne, aka the Specialist of Opportunity, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Mission Lane no annual fee Visa credit card. This is the best card for you to get, especially if you're just getting out of a bankruptcy or if you have bad credit. I've scoured the internet for you guys. I've scoured it and I found the perfect card. So stay tuned in this video and I'm going to explain why this is the best card for you today. The Mission Lane no annual fee Visa credit card. I've got some comments on the other video that was basically saying, well, some of the credit cards that you mentioned in your straight out of bankruptcy video, we can't get because, well, they don't give those cards to people out of bankruptcy. What's going on? Why would you recommend a card that we can't get? And that was a mistake on my part, really, and not really doing my research as good as I should have. I'm going to just say that I didn't do my research as good as I should have, and I apologize for that. We do make mistakes, or at least I do. So, but I've scoured the internet for the best card, and this is by far the best one that I've seen. Let me explain why. Okay, as you can see right here, this is what I like. I want to see. This is what I want to see when I apply for a credit card. This right here, no annual fees. No annual fees, no stupid monthly maintenance fees or any of that nonsense. No activation fees. I love it when there's no activation fees. If I had to pay between an annual fee and an activation fee, I'd rather just pay an activation fee and get it done with. But some of them, you know how it is, I'm sure. I'd rather just go ahead and pay it and be done with. And $0 over the limit fee. Thank you. Because this right here, I'm telling you, those fees can add up. This right here makes it worthwhile. Now, of course, you can get a higher credit limit if your credit is in good standing after your first 6 payments or on time, which is about 6 months. You get free access to the credit score or whatever. I don't really use that because I have it through Credit Karma and Mint and several other credit companies. I probably monitor my credit more than I should have. More than the average person, at least, I'll say that. And there is no interest on purchases when you pay in full and on each time every month. Now, I've been out of bankruptcy for a while now, and so I was able to get this card with a limit of $1,000, which is great. Most credit card companies will not start you out at that, but this one did. So that's one of the reasons. Another reason that I recommend it is because of the limit. They typically will start you out, I want to say with $1,000, but don't quote me on that because I don't find that. I wasn't able to find that anywhere on their website, what they typically start people out at, but that's what I was able to get. So I'm just putting that out there, I'm also going to say that this right here, I don't really like, but keep in mind that we're just using these credit cards so that we can build our credit up. That's the whole game, is to turn these cards for better cards. I'm gonna be honest, all these cards suck, okay? This one sucks. That stupid Citibank one sucks, that everybody talks about. I forget what it's called. I did a video on it. I'm trying to think of the other one that I did a video on. I don't remember. Anyway, moving on. So this right here is pretty much the best one that I've seen. I read the reviews on it. It has 5.5 stars, which is rare for any credit card at this level. You typically won't see that. You'll see that it says that, but I've already got the card, so whatever. But let me go over to their website here. Okay, so 0% annual fee, higher credit lines over time. Okay, and there's no hidden fees. This is all great. But the thing that we really care about, the thing that is really great about this card is this right here. We want this. We want to report to all 3 major bureaus, which would be Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. That's the thing we want, because if we can't do that, then there's no point in even getting this card. And what I recommend doing is just using it for something like Netflix or something like that, and just paying it off every month. I know that sounds lame, but that's what I would use it for. Putting your Netflix or Spotify subscription on it and setting it to auto pay. I know it's corny as hell, but that's what I would do, and I would cut up the card and throw it in the garbage. The physical card, I mean. That's my advice. Now, I know people are going to be in the comment section saying, how are you recommending a credit card when you helps you. You just got out of bankruptcy. And the thing is, you have to build your credit back up. You have to build it back up. Now, I know what Dave Ramsey says. I like Dave Ramsey. Here's a fun FYI for you. Me and Dave Ramsey both live in the same town. I pass by his office every day on the way to work. I don't agree with everything he says. He probably doesn't agree with everything I say. Doesn't mean that he's wrong and I'm right, or I'm right and he's wrong. No, we both can be right, because there's multiple paths to wealth, and there's multiple ways to do this. There's no one way. So this is just a card that I recommend. I have and I've used for a while, and it's actually pretty good. It's pretty decent. I don't like the design of it, but who cares? It does what it does, and this is just a placeholder for a better card like the Chase Sapphire card. And this is just a pit stop on your journey to credit worthiness. So if you want to see future credit cards from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.